Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about 5 top hardware crypto wallets out there. And I'm going to be talking about 5 different projects, which are Coolnet Wallet, Trezor Wallet, Ledger Wallet, KeepKey Wallet, and Bitbox Wallet. We'll be going through the website, talk a little bit about their socials and the features that you'll be getting when you're getting the device. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to go through them one by one as soon as possible. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check out that too. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So, starting off with the first hardware device that I really like, which is Cool Wallet Pro. It is the new hardware crypto wallet from Cool Wallet. Of course, I'll be putting all the links and resources in the description below. And Cool Wallet, it is one of the best hardware wallets that are out there, and it just offers a really solid storage, protection, and convenience. And it also manages your cryptocurrencies, DeFi, NFT assets, and everything that you have concerning the crypto in this little small device right here. It is going now for $149 on the official site of Cool Wallet. And of course, they are giving a 10% discount if you buy 2, because of course, buying 2 is better than buying 1. And we'll be going through the features a little bit. So this hardware is actually ultra thin, and it's just 0.8 millimeters. The weight is 6 grams. So it's really light. There are more than 35 blockchains connected to this small device, and there is more than 12,000 coins that you can be trading and investing in and storing in this small card wallet. There's, of course, staking features and a lot of other features that we'll be looking to. Of course, the Cool Wallet company is actually delivering not only the device, but also some lucky bags like this one, or some protection, extra protection for the card, maybe for your recovery phrase, for example, the Cool Key. And of course, you'll be having these exclusive discounts once you will be starting to buy the products on their official site, and you need to keep an eye on these deals because they are pretty insane. Here you can actually see the review video of the Cool Wallet Pro. Of course, I'll be putting the link in the description below so you can check it out. For the Cool Wallet, there is actually 2 categories. So the first category is the advanced security. So E8L6 plus rated secure element chip, encrypted AES 256 Bluetooth, and of course advanced cold pressing tech. And the second security is going to be going for the ultimate on-the-go convenience, which is credit card sized, waterproof and tamper-proof. And of course, they have a supporting mobile app for Android and iOS platforms. Of course, it is supported by 30 plus blockchains, including the Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Tron, Cardano, and many other famous blockchains and coins. And of course, you can see here all the supported tokens that are on side of this hardware device. You have full tracking and full sending and receiving with the app. So you need to be downloading the app when you're buying the device. And of course, you can be just swapping from the staking or the buying or any other feature really easy on the app. Of course, if you have the app and if you have the wallet, then you could be that will be really practical for you. And there are actually a lot of variations from this wallet, because this is not the first wallet that they drop. So they dropped first the Cool Wallet S, then the Cool Wallet Pro, and they are actually going to be releasing one more product soon. So keep an eye on the products list and keep an eye on their social media accounts. They have actually an X account, a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Discord, and LinkedIn. So make sure you follow them on their socials in order to get more information. And if you want to download the app, then you will be just going for this QR code right here, and you will be able to download it directly on your phone. So this is the first project. The second project that I'm going to be talking about is actually the Trezor hardware crypto wallet. So actually, Trezor is one of the companies that I really like. I feel like their authenticity is actually very good, and it's one of those products that you just see and you actually trust since the beginning, because it looks so dope and the design is so neat. And we're going to go through the features in a bit, but They have here 3 models of their hardware crypto wallet. Of course, the model 1, which is sitting at 59 euros, the Trezor Safe 3, which is sitting at 79 euros, and the Trezor Safe 5, which is the last one, it's at $169. And we're going to be checking first their Trezor Safe 5, which is the last and let's say most advanced device out there. So pretty much is the same thing. So based on the security and based on the protection of this device, it is actually very insane to browse through the crypto world without being tracked or without feeling insecure about it. The Trezor Safe 5 is actually very small with a touch screen, so you can be actually using it with a touch screen. It has a secure element, PIN, and passphrase protection, and of course, you can actually do the same as the other hardware wallets, but in a really convenient way. So you could be actually buying either universal hardware wallet, which has more than 1,000 coins and tokens and ETFs on there, or you could be just getting the special Bitcoin only hardware wallet, and it's actually this the same price, but it's just for your use. So if we go down a little bit here, you can actually see the product pictures. It actually looks so neat, and it's so small, so it's easy to carry around with you whenever you are, or you just easy to store too. Of course, they have here the Trezor suite, and they have actually an app and a website. Of course, you could be seeing all of these details on their website. The link will be in the description below. And the app is available on iOS and also on Android devices. Of course, you use these to buy, sell, send, and receive Bitcoin or other coins, track your Bitcoin balance, and of course, confirm every transaction directly on your wallet without losing time or having to sign in or going to the phone while you don't have a charger or you don't have a battery on it or you don't have internet. This is pretty secure, pretty practical, and you can just see how easy and how practical this is from these reviews right here. And you could be just pressing and playing around the site, seeing which are the features that you could be using it. Like I told you, the Trezor Safe 5, or most of the Trezor devices, they are mainly focusing on the Bitcoin, but they actually have many other coins that you could be investing in. At a glance, it is a color touch screen. It is a 1.54-inch color display, and it had haptic feedback, Gorilla Glass 3 for the scratch resistance glass, and it has a USB-C connection, and you could be just putting your micro SD card slot inside of it. So it is available on macOS, Microsoft, Linux, Android, and iOS. But for the iOS, it is just a view only, so you cannot be doing much. You could be just setting it up on the computer. As a device security, it is a secure element protected, open source security and design, PIN and passphrase protection, and all device entry. And of course, the product details, we already talked about them. And what do you get inside of the box? So you will be getting the device, which is Trezor Safe 5 Bitcoin only hardware wallet. You will be getting the SBC USB-C cable, 2 times 20 word wallet backup cards, startup guide, and of course the Trezor stickers. And if you have any more concerns or you feel like you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be putting, of course, all of the links and resources that I used in this video in the description below, so it's easy for you to browse through. What I like actually also about the Trezor device, that they have various colors that are pretty neat. For example, this one, the Galactic Rose, or the Green Barrel, or the black one even, is so classical and so neat, and so the design is really cool. They have here a small FAQ section for the new comers or for the people that want to get more information. And of course, they have a support team that is available for you 24/7. The next device that we're going to be talking about in this video is actually going to be the Ledger. And of course, the company that is doing this is Ledger. The site is ledger.com. The link will be in the description below. And of course, this is the same exact concept. So it is a secure hardware device for storing, sending, swapping, or staking your coins while being always secure. And of course, you could be managing over 5,500 coins and tokens with Ledger. We'll be going through the different products in a bit, but as you can see here, they also have the app. You could be buying, selling, and swapping the coins. And of course, you could be staking crypto. And of course, you could be just staying on top of your assets, seeing your portfolio, having information about your growth each day, each week, each month, or your loss. And of course, thousands of supported coins and tokens. You can see all the supported cryptos here. The link will be in the description below. And of course, here are the different devices from Ledger. So they have the Ledger Nano S Plus, the Ledger Nano X, and the Ledger Stacks. So this one is actually very good, and I'm going to be talking about the Nano S Plus. But before that, we're going to go through the products list, and we're going to see which type of products that the Ledger are delivering. So the Ledger Stacks, we already talked about it, Nano X and Nano S Plus. They have here a small feature for comparing the devices, so you could be actually seeing what they have here, the prices, and everything else. So the Ledger Nano S Plus is going for 79 euros. They have, of course, the black, the white blue, the marine blue with the purple-ish, the same purple but with an orange background, and they have the orange wallet. Of course, the Ledger Nano X, which is the mobile-first ledger for convenient day-to-day on-the-go use. It is going for 149 euros, and it has the same exact colors from the Ledger Nano S Plus. And the Ledger Stacks, you just need to be connecting with the Ledger team so you can get more informations and more details on how it's going to be costing you, and you're going to be explaining them the use of this Ledger Stacks device and how can you use it conveniently. Of course, here they have the overview settings and the comparison between each one of them. So you can be reading this one. Of course, for example, the Ledger Nano S Plus, it does have uncompromised security for all of them, NFTs and plus 1,000 coins, compatible with the Ledger Life app that they have available on iOS and Android. And then the features will be starting to go and upgrade. So the Bluetooth mobile connection is not available for the Ledger Nano S Plus, but it's available for the Ledger Nano X. And of course, the curved e-ink touchscreen, wireless charging, embedded magnets, they are all in the Ledger Stacks. So if you see yourself as one of the users of the Ledger Stacks, don't hesitate to just notify them and talk with them. They have a really cool team, and everything it will be going as planned. Of course, they have different social media accounts that you can be keeping an eye on. We will be going through a little bit the X account or Twitter. They have here their Twitter account with over 618,000 followers. As you can see here, the product is actually trending, and people are getting to know this product more and more. Big influencers and big coin holders are getting to know this device, and they are actually tending for buying this app or buying this device for security purposes and for also practicality when you are on the go, when you are just moving around from the restaurant to the hotel, when you're traveling around. It is very convenient for you to buy one of these devices because their size is actually very small, and the functions that they have inside of that small product is actually very, very insane. So the fourth project that I'm going to be talking about is actually KeepKey. And this is one of the most interesting projects that I see for myself. They have here the GitLab Club, so you can be just joining that and seeing what type of new updates that the devs are actually releasing. If you just press here buy now, you will be directed to their KeepKey wallet. So free or flat rate shipping, supports 7,000 assets and 350 chains. It is large, simple, sleek display, and compatible with PC, Mac, and Linux, and 7% off if you buy 2 or more. And they have here 5 different colors, so it's available in the gray / dark theme. They have the red theme, the green theme, the gold theme, and the silver theme. Me personally, I have the gold theme. I like it, and it's pretty neat. The price is actually now on sale. It is going for 82.8 euros, but usually it goes for 94 euros. And of course, they have here 7% off if you buy 2 or more devices. So KeepKey on desktop, it manages your crypto in the KeepKey desktop applications and connects to hundreds of D-apps natively and with the Wallet Connect V2 and MetaMask snaps. Of course, it is an open source, so you could be checking the GitLab, like I said earlier. And they have here the different, let's say, products that they are offering. So they have here the KeepKey wholesale opportunities. It goes for 2.3k euros. The KeepKey Doge Swag bundle. And this one is actually very funny and very memey, and I like it very much because it comes in this very neat packaging with stickers and many other good features. And it goes for nearly 100 euros. The KeepKey Torch Chain bundle and the cold storage bundle. Of course, they have here the FAQ section for the newcomers and the people that are interested to buy this product. Like I told you, KeepKey is one of the most projects that are interesting me right now because their security is actually very good. This specific hardware device is actually good for the online exchanges, like you can see here, because you are targeted by hackers. Your coins aren't truly yours. Your personal data might be leaked. Your IP address is definitely leaked, and you're constantly worried if your crypto is still there. But with the KeepKey hardware wallet, you are 100% offline. You are 100% owning and keeping your peace in your mind while staying anonymous in the crypto world. And of course, as you can see here, you can be seeing the coins that you can be trading, swapping, staking on the Keep Key. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, Cosmos, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ripple, and many other more. And this is how their platform is looking from inside. And you'll be just getting features on features about that. Keep Key versus the other wallets also is pretty interesting. And here are the review page for the Keep Key already clients, or let's say users. And they have here the small newsletter for the people that are willing to get the new collections and exclusive offers through the emails. The last project that I'm going to be talking about is actually the Bitbox 0.2. And you can be just getting that from the site shop bitbox.swiss. Of course, there are different handlers and different sellers online for the same device, but I'm just trying to give you the official websites or the official info point where you can be just getting the infos from the source. And this is what I can recommend you guys. So the Bitbox 0.2 is actually very good because it's so small. It is just like a USB stick, and it has this display right here. You can be just connecting it to your phone or your PC and seeing everything on there. So the price going for the Bitbox 0.2 is actually $149 or euros. I think they have a discount for buying 2 or more devices. So the features on this device are actually pretty good. So the easy backup and restore on micro SD, the OLED display and visible touch sensors protected using a secure chip, USB-C and a compatible cable included, and reduced attack surface. It is a BTC only supported wallet, so you could be just staking, swapping, buying and selling your Bitcoin on this thing while staying secure. Of course, we need to put always the protection in front of everything else. And in the box, while buying this product, you'll be getting the Bitbox 0.2 Bitcoin only edition hardware wallet, the micro SD card, the USB-C to USB-A adapter, USB-C extension cable, the rubber poles and the labeling stickers. And the warranty for this product, which is the first time that I see a warranty for such a product, is actually 2 years. So this proves how professional the team is and how much they trust their product while releasing it to the people. Of course, they have different other products that they are selling. So the Bitbox Care, the steel wallet, the backup card, and the tamper evident bags. And of course, they have for Bitbox, they have Twitter, GitLab, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Telegram. We'll be checking really quick their X page. As you can see here, they have 21.3 K follower, which is actually pretty good for a new starting project and a really trending product. I mean, like the product itself and the company itself, it got launched in 2014 or 2013, so it's pretty not that new, but it is starting now to get more and more visibility and traffic from the people around the world. And as you can see here, you can actually see that they are pretty also active on social media, and they are trying to stay in connection with their community, which is a pretty point that I really, really appreciate. So they stay authentic and they stay clear and transparent to their user base. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about the 5 top crypto wallet hardware version. So we talked about Coolnet wallet, Trezor wallet, Ledger wallet, KeepKey wallet, and Bitbox wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. Of course, all the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure to check out that too. And have a good day. Bye bye.